Did you know that a single serving of some Greek yogurts contains as much sugar as a dessert? For example, Elenos coffee. Greek yogurt packs a staggering 30 grams of sugar into just a 7-ounce cup, the same amount you'd find in a tall coffee frappuccino from Starbucks. That's right, a product you might have thought was a breakfast staple or a healthy snack could be delivering as much sugar as an indulgent treat. Greek yogurt has exploded in popularity over the last decade. It's everywhere, from grocery store shelves to trendy cafes and fitness blogs. Praised for its creamy texture, high protein content, and probiotic benefits, Greek yogurt is often held up as a model of healthy eating. Health-conscious consumers flock to it, believing they're making a smart choice for their bodies. After all, it's associated with everything from gut health to weight management, and it's even been linked to a lower risk of certain diseases. But beneath the glossy marketing and health claims, there's a side to Greek yogurt that many people don't see. The truth is, not all Greek yogurt is created equal, and some of the most popular brands on the market are hiding a not-so-healthy secret. Let's talk about the marketing first. Companies often advertise Greek yogurt as a simple, wholesome food. Thick, tangy, packed with protein, and brimming with live cultures that are good for your digestive system. Commercials and packaging show images of rolling fields, plump berries, or honey dripping onto pristine white yogurt, all evoking a sense of purity and simplicity. It's easy to believe you're buying a product that's as close to nature as you can get. However, take a closer look at the nutritional labels and ingredient lists, and a different story emerges. While plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt is indeed rich in protein and probiotics, many flavored varieties are loaded with added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and preservatives. These additives can quickly transform what should be a healthy snack into something closer to a sugary dessert. Recent investigations have unearthed some unsettling facts. Dietitians warn that certain Greek yogurt brands use marketing to mask their true nutritional content. For instance, the aforementioned Elenos coffee Greek yogurt contains 30 grams of sugar per serving, well above the daily recommended limit for added sugars, especially if you're trying to manage your weight or blood sugar. And it's not just Elenos. Many leading brands offer fruit-flavored, honey-swirled, or dessert-inspired Greek yogurts that pack in upwards of 15 to 25 grams of sugar per serving. To put that in perspective, the American Heart Association recommends that women consume no more than 25 grams of added sugar per day, and men no more than 36 grams. A single cup of some Greek yogurts can deliver nearly all, or even more, of your daily limit in one go. So, how does this happen? The answer lies in the ingredients. Yogurt manufacturers often add cane sugar, fruit purees, syrups, or even high fructose corn syrup to make their products more palatable and to mimic the flavor of desserts. Some brands also include artificial sweeteners and stabilizers to create a uniform texture and extend shelf life. The result is a product that may taste delicious, but doesn't deliver the health benefits you expect. This discrepancy between image and reality is further fueled by recent regulatory decisions. The FDA has allowed yogurt producers to make health claims about reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. The catch? There's only limited scientific evidence to support such claims, and critics argue that this could be highly misleading, especially when these claims are applied to yogurts loaded with sugar. If you're not reading the label carefully, you might think you're making a choice that protects your health, when in reality, you could be increasing your risk of conditions like insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome. Let's dig deeper into the ingredients of a popular brand. Take a look at the ingredient list of some flavored Greek yogurts on the market, and you'll find more than just milk and cultures. Some include a long list of thickeners, stabilizers, and, most notably, high levels of added sugar. For example, fruit on the bottom varieties often contain fruit preserves that are more sugar than actual fruit. Even so-called natural flavors can disguise added sweeteners and artificial additives. This flies in the face of the simple, wholesome image that these products project. Now, what are the real health impacts? Eating Greek yogurt with high added sugar on a regular basis can have the same metabolic consequences as consuming other sugary processed foods. Spikes in blood sugar, increased risk of weight gain, and long-term complications like diabetes and heart disease. The sugar content can also overshadow the potential benefits of probiotics and protein, making it difficult to justify these products as truly healthy choices. So what's the solution? Not all Greek yogurt is problematic. Plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt remains a nutritious option. It's high in protein, low in sugar, and packed with beneficial bacteria. You can always add your own fresh fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of honey to control sweetness and boost nutrition without overloading on sugar. The key takeaway here is that you shouldn't assume all Greek yogurt is equally healthy. Marketing can be deceiving, and the only way to be certain of what you're eating is to check the label. Look for short ingredient lists, low sugar content, and avoid artificial additives whenever possible. Compare brands and flavors before making a choice. Remember, just because a product is labeled as Greek yogurt doesn't mean it's automatically good for you. In summary, Greek yogurt has the potential to be a healthy, satisfying part of your diet, but only if you choose wisely. The next time you reach for that creamy cup in the dairy aisle, pause and check the nutrition facts. Your body and your health will thank you. If you found these insights helpful and want to stay informed about the hidden truths behind everyday foods, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Don't let marketing fool you. Empower yourself with knowledge and make smarter, healthier choices every day.